Are you tired of struggling in the kitchen? What if we told you that with just the right tools, you could turn meal prep into a breeze and actually enjoy it? Whether you're a pro chef or a busy home cook, these 24 kitchen gadgets are about to revolutionize the way you cook, clean, and create in your kitchen. From mind-blowing time savers to game-changing multitaskers, you don't want to miss this. The Kitchendell multi-purpose cheese slicer and cutter is a versatile tool designed for effortless slicing. With its adjustable thickness dial, you can achieve precise cuts for a variety of foods, including cheese, sausages, biltong, and vegetables. The dual-blade system makes slicing easy, even for seniors or those with weak or arthritic hands. Featuring a safety lock mechanism for secure storage and dishwasher-safe materials, it combines convenience and safety. Supported by dedicated customer service, this slicer is a reliable addition to any kitchen. The Full-Star vegetable chopper is a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep. Featuring sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, slices, and dices vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, and cucumbers with precision. The soft grip handle and non-skid base provide stability and control, while the catch tray keeps your workspace mess-free. Perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, this BPA-free chopper is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, making it a must-have tool for quick and convenient cooking. The P-Leg Design Eggowin's egg holder brings a playful twist to boiling, storing, and serving eggs. Shaped like adorable penguins, it holds up to 6 eggs securely for easy cooking and fridge storage. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it features a heat-resistant handle for safe removal from boiling water and a drainage hole for quick drying. Compact and dishwasher-safe, this charming kitchen gadget is perfect for penguin enthusiasts and makes a delightful gift for any occasion. The curated dish drying rack is a compact and efficient solution for kitchens with limited space. Measuring 12 inches by 15 inches, it holds up to 10 plates, along with bowls and glasses. Made from premium, rust-resistant stainless steel with a plastic drain board, it ensures durability and easy cleaning. The built-in water outlet directs excess water to the sink, keeping counters dry. Featuring a detachable cutlery holder and non-slip silicone leg covers, this space-saving rack offers practicality and stability for organized kitchen counters. The electric jar opener from Besmon is a practical solution for anyone struggling with stubborn lids. Designed for convenience, it effortlessly opens lids between 1.2 and 3.5 inches, making it ideal for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or those with weak hands. Its stainless steel components ensure durability, while the soft silicone edges add safety and comfort. Easy to use with just the press of a button, this hands-free gadget simplifies daily tasks and is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Note: not suitable for plastic jars. The Amchef Masticating Juicer is a powerful and efficient tool for extracting nutrient-rich juice from fruits and vegetables. Its self-feeding design and large capacity make juicing quick and convenient, while the triple filter system ensures smooth, high-quality juice. The anti-drip silicone lid helps prevent messes and allows seamless operation. With safety features like a secure lid lock and a quiet motor, this BPA-free juicer offers a hassle-free and user-friendly juicing experience. The NutriBullet Every-Grain Cooker is designed to simplify cooking a variety of grains, including rice, oats, quinoa, and more. With convenient preset options for different grains and a steaming program for vegetables and fish, it offers versatility in the kitchen. Its spacious cooking pot allows you to prepare large batches, and the included steaming basket makes it easy to cook multiple items at once. Built with durable, dishwasher-safe components and a non-stick cooking pot, it ensures easy cleanup. Perfect for those looking to streamline meal prep, the cooker features useful functions like delay start and keep warm. The Giedel Food Chopper is a convenient tool for quick and easy meal prep. With its stainless steel blades, it allows for faster chopping, dicing, and grinding, making kitchen tasks like preparing vegetables, onions, garlic, and nuts a breeze. This manual chopper requires no electricity, making it a simple and safe option for anyone, reducing the risk of injury while handling sharp blades. Its easy-to-clean design, dishwasher-safe parts, and compact size make it an efficient and practical addition to any kitchen, helping you save time and enjoy more moments with family. The Julia 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer and dispenser offers a versatile and efficient solution for kitchen oil management. With a large glass bottle and 2 dispensing modes, spray and pour, it allows for precise control over oil usage, delivering a fine mist or steady stream depending on your need. Made from high-quality, non-toxic glass, this durable, refillable bottle is ideal for olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and other liquids. The sprayer comes with customizable label paper for easy identification, making it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. The Supa's over-sink foldable dish drying rack combines practicality with style. Made from high-quality, FDA food-safe silicone wrapped around durable stainless steel, it's resistant to rust, heat, and oil, making it ideal for drying dishes or as a trivet mat. This collapsible, space-saving rack fits over sinks up to a certain width and can hold a significant weight, all while being easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The sleek, warm gray color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The Vikea Mandoline Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for effortless slicing and chopping. Made with high-quality stainless steel and featuring sharp, durable blades, it allows you to slice vegetables and fruits to your desired thickness. With adjustable settings and a pair of cut-resistant gloves for safety, this slicer ensures a secure and easy operation. Ideal for cutting everything from onions to potatoes, it's a must-have for home cooks. The slicer's foldable design makes for convenient storage and it's easy to clean, making meal prep a breeze. The Ocean Star stackable metal wire storage basket set offers a practical and stylish storage solution for any home. With easy-to-carry handles and an open front design, these baskets make organizing and accessing your items simple. Their stackable structure maximizes space, making them perfect for under-counter shelving or as corner baskets. Durable and versatile, these baskets help keep your space neat while adding a touch of functionality and elegance to your storage needs. The Veron's airtight food storage containers offer a practical and stylish solution for organizing your kitchen and pantry. Made from durable food-grade plastic, these containers are perfect for storing a variety of dry foods, such as flour, sugar, rice, cereals, and snacks. Designed with airtight side-locking lids, they ensure food stays fresh and protected from air and moisture. Their stackable design saves space, making them ideal for any pantry size. With clear bodies for easy content visibility and included labels for better organization, these containers are a must-have for a tidy and efficient kitchen. The AIKKIL mixing bowl set offers a versatile and durable solution for all your kitchen tasks, including mixing, baking, and serving. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the bowls feature a mirror finish interior and a fingerprint-resistant matte exterior, ensuring they remain looking pristine. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls stable while you're mixing or whisking, and the airtight lids offer secure food storage to maintain freshness. This set includes a variety of sizes to accommodate all your cooking needs, and the bowls nest together for efficient storage. Easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, this set is a great addition to any kitchen. The AUOON clip-on silicone strainer is a versatile and compact kitchen tool designed for quick and efficient draining. Made from food-grade, heat-resultant silicone, it ensures safety and durability while being easy to clean. Its innovative clip design allows it to securely attach to pots, pans, and bowls of various sizes, making straining pasta, washing fruits and vegetables, or filtering grease a breeze. With a slim profile for easy storage, this strainer is a must-have for any organized and functional kitchen. The KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for optimal performance. With a textured side for tenderizing meats and a smooth side for flattening and pounding, it is suitable for various kitchen tasks, including preparing meats, nuts, and shellfish. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it offers strength and ease of use. The ergonomic handle includes a convenient hanging hole for easy storage, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Easy to clean by hand, this tenderizer is a reliable addition to your culinary tools. The ProKeeper Fresh Deli Keeper set is a versatile and practical storage solution designed to keep your food fresh. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, this BPA-free container is both dishwasher and microwave safe, ensuring easy cleaning and convenience. Its rectangular design and generous capacity make it perfect for storing deli items, fruits, or snacks, while maintaining freshness and organization in your kitchen. The Chefman electric kettle with temperature control is a versatile and stylish kitchen essential, combining speed and precision for all your hot beverage needs. Made from durable borosilicate glass and stainless steel, It features a removable tea infuser for steeping loose-leaf tea, tricolor LED indicators for easy operation, and a cordless 360-deg swivel base for convenience. With rapid boiling, automatic shutoff, and boil-dry protection, this BPA-free kettle ensures safe and efficient use, perfect for tea, coffee, and more. The Minanov electric egg cooker is a compact, portable, and efficient appliance that makes cooking eggs hassle-free. Ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even camping trips, it allows you to cook hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or steamed eggs with ease. The smart design features an auto shutoff function, a buzzer alarm, and a digital timer display, ensuring perfect eggs every time. Made with BPA-free materials and energy efficient, it's a reliable addition to any kitchen and makes for a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys eggs on the go. The Calbee Storage Bag Organizer is a versatile and efficient solution for organizing kitchen wraps and bags. Made from premium bamboo, it combines a foil and wrap dispenser with a built-in cutter, a storage bag organizer for various bag sizes, and an additional compartment for small items. Its detachable and connectable design allows for flexibility, whether mounted on the wall or placed in a drawer. The bamboo construction is durable and eco-friendly, adding a natural touch to your kitchen, while the included labels and easy-to-use cutter simplify the storage and retrieval process. The Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket is a practical and space-saving solution for steaming vegetables. With self-suggesting sides, it fits a variety of pots and pans, making it versatile in the kitchen. Made from BPA-free polypropylene and heat-resistant silicone, it can withstand high temperatures. The steamer expands to a large size for cooking, then folds neatly for easy storage. It features an easy lift hook for convenience and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This steamer is perfect for non-stick pots, but not suitable for microwaves or pressure cookers. The OXO Good Grips plastic utility cutting board is a durable and practical kitchen tool, ideal for preparing large meals. Its double-sided, non-porous surface resists odors and helps maintain sharp knife blades. The soft, tapered edges create comfortable handles for easy lifting, while the integrated grip catcher and easy pour corners minimize mess. Non-slip feet ensure stability while chopping, and the board is designed to be hand-washable for easy maintenance. This versatile cutting board is perfect for daily kitchen tasks, offering both functionality and convenience. The Schaffan Garlic Zoom Garlic Chopper XL is a handy and efficient kitchen tool for mincing garlic without the mess or odor on your hands. Simply load garlic into the chamber and roll the chopper to achieve your desired texture. A few rolls for a coarse chop, more for a finer mince. With its improved design, it features better gearing for easy rolling and larger finger holds for safe blade removal. Compact and durable, it's dishwasher safe and perfect for kitchens of any size, making it an ideal gift for both beginners and experienced cooks. The Bidem Tea Maker is a versatile and stylish electric kettle designed for tea enthusiasts. Made with durable 316 stainless steel and German shot glass, it features a 1.2 L capacity and a removable infuser. With its 6-in-1 control base, you can easily choose from 5 preset temperatures for different types of tea, such as black, green, oolong, and herbal. The kettle also has an auto keep warm function for up to 60 minutes and automatic shutoff for safety. Its user-friendly design and high-quality materials make it a reliable and elegant addition to any kitchen.